Okay, everyone, designed for sustainable living, this off-grid retreat is not just about simplicity, it's about harmony with nature. With its smart layout and powerful design, it's an ideal place to unwind, recharge, and enjoy life off the beaten path. Wow, just look at that. The full wood interior gives it such a cozy and warm feel, and that beach ceiling that makes such a big difference in making the space feel way bigger than it actually is. The natural light coming through the massive window height, that's a game changer. Imagine waking up to the view like that every morning anyway. So you can imagine that. Then and wait, um, is that fabric detailing on the walls? What is it? What it is? That's such a unique touch. It softens the space and probably helps with acoustic too. Really well thought out. Okay, tiny kitchen always fascinate me. How do they fit everything into such a small space? This one looks super functional, though. We have got open shelving, a nice little countertop space, and oh wow, even a small dining table that's perfect for a minimalist setup. And you can eat, work, and chill all in one stop, all in one spot only. I mean, okay, and then please look at the lighting. You can see about the lighting there, and it's really well placed. So even at night, and this place probably still feels super inviting. Love that attention to detail, and love beds always add such character to tiny homes. And this one looks really spacious anyway. Some lofts feel a bit cramped, but with that high ceiling, this one actually seems really comfortable anyway. The stairs instead of a ladder, yes, that's a win for me. Then easier to climb, and you can probably use the step for storage too. And this is, I mean, that super smart ideas. And also, imagine just lying in a bed with those huge windows giving you a full on nature view. That's gotta be one of the most peaceful ways to wake up. All right, this is the dream setup for anyone who works remotely. Desk with this kind of natural lighting and a nature view. That's productivity and relaxation in one. You could sit here with a cup of coffee, work for a few hours, and then step outside for fresh air anytime you want. Okay, and I mean, I love that balance personally. Overall, this place is beautifully designed. It's cozy, super functional, and really embraced the whole off-grid minimalism lifestyle. The natural wood, the smart of use of space, and all that natural light make it feel way more open than you would expect from a tiny home. Okay, well, we're checking out something a little different, a stunning bathroom inside a modern off-grid tiny house. Now, bathroom in tiny homes can sometimes feel cramped, but this one, from what I've seen in the preview, it's beautifully designed with wood and concrete anyway. Has a pitch ceiling, a massive window with a natural view, and of course, all the essential toilet, shower cabin, sink, and even an exhaust fan for ventilation. And I don't know about you. I don't know about you about it all, but I love seeing creative bathroom design, especially when they balance aesthetic and functionality. So let's dive in and check this one out. And wow, okay, right off the bat, this look way more spacious than I expected. The combination of wood and concrete is such a cool mix. Anyway, then the wood makes it feel warm and cozy, while the concrete adds this modern industrial touch. And that pitch ceiling, it instantly makes the room feel bigger. So you can imagine about the pitch ceiling and can make the spacious more than the imagination. So hold up, is that a huge window in a bathroom? This is insane. Imagine taking a shower with a view like that privacy might be a corner. But if you are in a secluded area, this is the next level relaxation. Okay, then, let's talk about the shower setup. It's a proper cabin, not just a curtain, which is a big plus. That means no water spilling everywhere, and it probably helps keep the humidity in check. Okay, then, and there it is, the exhaust fan. So important in any tiny home, especially when you are using a lot of wood in the interior. It helps prevent moisture build up. Okay, then and keeps everything fresh, and a small but smart feature actually is. Okay, I love this setup. I very love this setup anyway. This thing is simple but elegant, and that wooden countertop really ties everything together. It's minimal but functional. And what about the mirror? What about the mirror? It's look like it's positioned perfectly to the reflect light, making the space feel even bigger. And also, I love how well the whole room is. It doesn't feel dark or cramped at all. And of course, we have got the toilet. I mean, it's super essential, but I love how they keep the design clean and modern. No word layouts or awkward placement, just a simple and functional space. Okay, then all right. Okay, and the final thoughts. This bathroom is absolutely beautiful. The mix of wood and concrete makes it feels warm yet modern, and the high ceiling and the big window create an open and airy atmosphere in the room. So, and every feature is designed with functionally in mind. And the shower cabin, exhaust fan, and well-placed lighting all makes this super comfortable and practical space. Okay, well, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now, only focus on the theme of material and color composition only. And this doesn't mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and synchronized layout between the exterior and also the interior. However, this design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you useful ideas and inspiration about the tiny house, especially about the tiny home interior and some of layout of the tiny home itself. Anyway, and all right, guys, what do you think about this tiny home? Could you see yourself living in a place like this? And let me know in the comment below. And if you enjoy this reaction, if you enjoy this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching until the end, and just wait for my next content. And have a good day.